And with that, we were making upgrades and a theme total redesign for Magento e-commerce platform and trying to launch it together. Not as brand new branding, but just trying to make something that's more modern, more up to date.
So good evening to DCKAPians. I'm here with one of our clients. His name is Bradley. He'll introduce himself. Tell us a little bit more about yourself.
My name is Bradley Clampitt. I'm from Indiana. I've got a wife and 2 kids. They're twin boys. The company I'm working for is Sokolin. I've been working with them for a little over 2 years now. I just became the VP of Digital Systems. Prior to that, I come from 16 years in the tanning industry, working in e-commerce and running the entire business for import and export for the United States. I have done Magento development since 1.5, give or take, and been off and on throughout the years. So that's kind of me in a nutshell.
Excellent. What kind of products does your company provide?
We sell high-end wines, so not the low-end cheap stuff you would find from Walmart or Target. These are wines that probably at minimum is $60 up to $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a bottle.
Excellent.
And so we have that. We have our niche is the high-end clientele that's looking for the rare and specialty wines.
Excellent. So what does 2023 hold for you?
We're trying to come up with we're working with DCKAP to get a mobile app based on Flutter. And with that, we were making upgrades and a theme total redesign for Magento e-commerce platform and trying to launch it together. Not as brand new branding, but just trying to make something that's more modern, more up to date. And so that's kind of our goal for this year, is to bring our foundations up, get everything lined up, get some of our internal things working properly. And then from there, we can see what we want to do for the future. We get the foundation done, and it's like, okay, let's brainstorm and see what else we want to provide for the customer experience.
Excellent. And how did you hear about DCKAP?
I, in the past, worked with DCKAP back in 2010, and they worked with me with Magento 1. And when we were looking for a new partner for Flutter app, I was friends with Mohan on LinkedIn. I was like, I wanted to check with him. I asked him if they could do Flutter, and he said they could. We started with them, and everything, they were totally professional, on point with everything. So then we're like, okay, well, we do Magento, so let's see about having them take over our Magento services as well and just lump it in. And it's been such a great experience. Excellent.
Any shout outs you want to give out to the team members?
My direct project manager, I do believe, is Bharat. He's been excellent. Mohan, I enjoy every time I get to see him or speak to him. We finally met in person just last month, so that's been great. Even Aaron's here with me at this show, which is my first time at an event, and it's been great to meet with Aaron, get to know more about DCKAP, and then everyone else has been here. It's been nice just talking with some of the representatives from Adobe and some of the other vendors, just to get the experience.
Excellent. If there is one challenge you can give DCKAP for them to step up to the plate and deliver, what would it be?
That is a tough one, because everything that I have thrown at them, questioned, or talked about, they've hit it out of the park. Whether we needed the mobile design aspect done, they had a partner of theirs that we didn't even have to make adjustments to the design. They figured out what we needed. They did it great right off the bat. So I don't really have anything negative to say. I really don't. I can't even come up with something to say. It's been such a great experience.
Well, thank you, Bradley, for taking an opportunity to be able to talk to us. Your continued best to your beautiful wife and your beautiful boys.
Thank you.